Hi everyone, Fast Food Friday food review time again, and today we are off to Domino's Pizza. They've got a brand new New York style range of pizza, 16 inches they reckon. It's got a new style crust. It uses a softer crust. It's supposed to have 3 times the cheese. I can't wait to get one and try one. Let's give one a go. Yeah, can't wait. So excited. Oh my god. Have a look at this. Oh. I'm in heaven. Can't wait to give this a go. Let's find a place so we can open it up and crack on in. Alright, well here's the pizza. So here we go. The new Domino's New York range pizza. Oh my god! Oh my, that has got to be the best looking pizza I think I've ever seen. Seriously? Oh mama, oh mama, Now this pizza here is the pepperoni, pork, fennel sausage and mushroom. It's supposed to be 10,960 kilojoules, which is 2,630 calories, and the average daily intake for a man is 2,500 calories. So it's more than your daily intake of food, this pizza. And no wonder. Have a look at the size of it. I mean, that's 2 hand spans. I mean, this thing is massive. I mean, it's 16 inches. 16 inches of absolute pleasure too. So this pizza's been cut into the traditional 8 slices, and they've also used a special softer dough for the pizza, especially for this, so you can fold the pizza up. I mean, I've been looking at this long enough. It's about time I tucked on in. Oh, yeah. If I can reach over the top of this box, that is. Come to me, Daddy, come to me. Oh man, oh boy. Oh, look at this. I mean, isn't that just perfection right there? I seriously cannot wait to try this. Have a look at it. It's just beautiful. Like, that's one slice. It's as big as my head. It's massive. And 16 inches. What more do you want? Now, to eat a traditional New York pizza, you're supposed to fold it, which is why they've got the special dough, so you can fold these pizza crusts. Anyway, it's folded. Let's start eating. Oh man. So many calories. So little time. It's supposed to have 3 times the cheese on it. I don't think it has. Who cares? It's got enough calories. I don't need any more. But the coverage of the pizza is just fantastic. I mean, look at it. Pepperoni, heaps of sausage. This traditional sauce underneath also is really nice. And this is the mushroom, which there are plenty of mushrooms on there, maybe not on this slice, but the other slices seem to have a decent amount of mushrooms on there. But I tell you what, this pizza is absolutely fantastic. Oh. You could feed a whole family on it. Let's try this crust. It's soft, yet got some crispiness to it. It's got that delicious, classic Domino's crusty flavour to it as well. It's just all round, mate, a fantastic pizza. Now, I forgot to mention the price of this. This is $17.95. That's recommended retail, but you'll always find a voucher for them. I've seen the vouchers online for either $14.95 or even $9.99. I've seen them as well. So make sure you check your vouchers out first, but I tell you what, it's worth every cent. Even at 18 bucks, mate, You could feed a family of 4, no worries on this, probably even 5. It's a massive pizza. It's too big for one person. It's a day and a half's food for your average man. It's an all-round classic pizza from Domino's. What more can I say? The pork fennel sausage. Fennel's got sort of a slight aniseed flavour to it. And mixed with the pork, it just tastes great. I mean, this is an awesome pizza, seriously. I mean, come on. Domino's, you've really stepped up to the plate and made me proud. Well, I think I've had enough of this pizza now to know what score I'm going to give it out of 10. Value-wise, $17.95. Mate, you try and find a better value pizza for $17.95 anywhere, and I'll give you 1 cent via PayPal, and then they round it down, so you're not getting anything. But it's great value for money. If you can pick one up on the special prices, mate, the value is absolutely fantastic. Flavour-wise, the sausage, pepperoni and mushroom pizza with the extra mozzarella and the tomato sauce on there, it's fantastic. It really is a delicious pizza, and it's one that I know you'll love. So for an all-over value, all-over taste, all-over price, all-over shopping experience, Domino's, for this New York style crust pizza, I'm giving you a 9.8 out of 10. And the only reason you're missing out on that 10 out of 10 is because of this bit of puffed pastry here without any cheese or sausage on it. Ah, if only it had stayed down there. Ah well, better luck next time. So, what's my recommendation? Mate, cobbers, fellas, sheelers, everyone, I don't care what gender you are, head on down to Domino's and try one of these pizzas. They're absolutely phenomenal. They'll feed an army. They taste great. They're good value for money. What more do you want? Do yourself a favour and head down to Domino's and get one. Have you tried the new Domino's New York range style pizzas? What did you think about them? Did you like them? Was it huge? Was it too much for one man? Did you feed a family with it? If you did, let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next review. Anyway, I don't know if I'll finish this all today. It might take me a few days actually. So, great value for money. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.